cloud is definitely a game changer for many retailers. What we see at the moment and what is happening in retail is actually this holistic approach towards the customer. And many of them are trying to find the way forward, going through some, as it's called, technical depth. While going through that transition, many customers have been basically familiarized with, let's take one step at a time. Let's start by going to on-premise and then maybe in the future move to the cloud. But actually today, the customers can take a great big leap into the future by moving themselves into the cloud with the LS Retail and the Business Central solutions. And the biggest benefit is definitely the opportunity that they have of servicing their own customers through anything that has to do with data, both from artificial intelligence, being able to manage their data, the relationship with the customer through the data. And I think there are just enormous opportunities for those customers to engage the clouds.
Buying hardware, maintaining servers, data centers, I think is something that is part of the past. Businesses adopting a cloud strategy will immediately be able to focus more on their business and less on keeping the lights in the back office on. I think that it allows companies to become better at what they're already good at and let vendors like Microsoft or others and perhaps partners like us help them to manage their infrastructure.
Well, what you see a lot is that customers come from an on-prem situation where there is a lot of customization in the current systems, and they are unable to scale. So I see a lot of prospects that have 5, 10, 15 stores, but have the ambition to really grow to 30, 40, 50 stores, and they are unable to grow that way and to really put the strategy they have as a company in practice because they are quite limited. If you move on to the cloud, if you move on to SaaS, you don't really have that limitation. So you're a lot more flexible and scalable as a business. And actually, it provides a great ROI as well, because all the hardware is already included in the license. So you don't need to take care of that anymore. You don't have to think about setting up a VM. You don't need to give much attention to, oh, the server has gone down, or you can really focus on your business, your core business,